Hi, my name is Eric Cracken, and I am an attorney and trial lawyer here at TorHoerman Law. So this litigation involves youth residential facilities. These facilities were located in what we call the troubled teen industry. What they marketed themselves as was an alternative to youth detention facilities. And they also marketed themselves as therapeutic environments. But as anyone who's been involved in these facilities, including myself, we know that that's not what was the reality. There was systematic abuse in these facilities. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the common questions that we get about this litigation and give you guys some more information. What type of institutions qualify? So there's going to be a number of institutions that can qualify, but generally speaking, I think they fall into three buckets. The first is going to be detention facilities, rehabs, therapeutic centers, that kind of thing. The second is going to be wilderness programs, what we more see associated with the troubled teen industry. And then the third bucket is going to be halfway houses, residential facilities, boarding schools. There are many facilities that could fall into this litigation. And so we have a full list on our website that you can look at. There's going to be even more that could fall into that bucket. So give us a call anytime. We're happy to answer your questions and tell you if you qualify. What is considered abuse in these cases? Well, similar to what institutions apply, there's going to be a lot here. We see a lot of different forms of abuse. We see sexual abuse. We see sexual assault and sexual harassment, behavioral abuse, emotional abuse, mental abuse. There's a lot that happened since the 1990s in these facilities. So that's why it's important to call us. And anytime that you call us, we're happy to give you a free consultation to let you know whether or not you qualify for a case. Who are the perpetrators? First, you have the people that were employed there, whether they were staff members or counselors or therapists. Then you have other youth that were at these facilities, just like you. They've also been perpetrators in this litigation. And then if you were in the group that went to wilderness camps where they had people come in from off-site, we've also found that they've been perpetrators as well. Where are these cases happening? It's nationwide. These facilities were located in most states, and so we are taking clients from everywhere. It doesn't matter what state your facility was located in. If you were there and you suffered abuse, we're here to help you. Why isn't the abuse at these facilities been stopped? In part, they're largely unregulated, so there's not a lot of oversight that goes in them. That leads to the second thing, which is a lot of these facilities covered this stuff up. As is often the case with abuse, it either wasn't reported, or when it was reported, it was fought heavily, and so it just took this long for these things to take steam. Why are these youth facilities privately operated? The short answer and the honest answer is money. Private companies like Youth Services International and Sequel Youth and Family Services, they saw an opportunity with private equity backing to make millions and millions of dollars. And in addition to that, they get income from two different sources. The families have to pay these facilities individually for their children to be placed there, and then they get money from government sources as well. It's been said that these facilities can get as much as $800 a day per kid. As a result, they've been able to make millions and millions and millions a year for the decades that they've been in operation. If you have experienced this abuse, or if a loved one of yours has experienced this abuse, we are happy to help, and we are the right people to help. Having attorneys that understand this industry is infinitely important in a case like this. If you have any additional questions, please go to our website. Feel free to use our chat bot, or call and email me or any of our attorneys directly. We are always happy to hear you. We want you to feel heard. We want you to feel seen. And we are always going to be your advocates in every way that we can.